You're moving your business-critical applications to the cloud. The benefits are clear, but migration to the cloud creates risk to the applications that run your business. Uptime is now the responsibility of your cloud provider, but neither they nor your ERP vendor will protect or monitor your company's applications in the cloud. This leaves security as the biggest remaining challenge in achieving business application resiliency. Cloud with Confidence by Onapsis helps to accelerate cloud migration and digital transformation by automating code security review, vulnerability assessment and prioritization, and configuration policies and management, ensuring your ERP applications are secure and ready for the cloud. IT, development, compliance, and security teams benefit from 360-degree system awareness and intelligence, streamlined development and QA lifecycles, automated data privacy and compliance reporting, and real-time monitoring and governance of application and system security posture. Only Onapsis has been proven to decrease application modernization and security costs by 80% as part of ERP cloud migration projects. Your enemies in the cloud don't sleep. Neither do we. We enable you to operate where it matters and when it matters. For a free assessment of your ERP cloud security strategy, contact Onapsis today.